YouTube. This is not a cleaning the bench video. It is a random video of me doing something. Well, anyway. Sorry about that. I decided to figure out, yeah, let me pause this thing, get the freaking right screwdriver. Hold on. Hello YouTube, hey, it's me again. I don't know if you can hear me, but I got a little hack going on here. I've been pondering what the hell to do with my old 18 volt things. That'll get in the way, and if you take the battery, it can stun them up. So I decided, since I have a couple of dead batteries, I'm going to take a few batteries apart. And what I'm going to do is something really simple. For one, I'm going to take all the cells out. See which ones I have. They're good. I need another voltmeter because mine, for some reason, doesn't work. And it doesn't seem to have a way to get the batteries out. Yeah. Some reason my voltmeter, you can't take the batteries out. But if you have these old 18 volt tools, they work really great. I like them because, for one, no, get out of it. I like the old 18 volt ones. Because in the winter here, my shop ain't fully heated. I'm not here 24 hours a day. So what I want to do is I want to take this right here, little piece, and I just want to make it so I can screw it to something. And I'm going to use this just to hold them. So I'm going to take 4 of these apart, leave the cells somewhere and test them out later. And I'm going to grind all the shit off the bottom here. And I'm going to use them for a battery holder. Because I know, like, I have this one, I have this one, and I think I have, oh yeah, I have a flashlight. They actually come in handy. Plus, the good part is you can buy 18 volt batteries. Nickel cadmium, NiCad, what they're called, really cheap on Amazon. I was like, gonna buy an insert for these things, a new one. It's like 45 bucks for a new one, or whatever the hell price. It's cheaper to buy 2 of these than it is to buy a whole replacement battery pack, which is totally stupid. So I'm like, you know what? I'll just buy 2 new battery packs, replace some of the batteries, and just fix the old ones. I'll take all the old good cells and put them all in one. But for now, I'm just taking this off and I'm going to screw it to the wall and use them as a hanger. So, yeah, that's my shop hack for today. Take one or a bunch of your old Dewalt batteries before you chuck them, and before you recycle this. Before you recycle, just throwing this into recycling, keep the little pad, and if you're still using your 18 volt equipment, use this as a battery holder. Seems like at least you're using something. Anyway, enjoy. That's my shop hack for today. Hope you enjoy it.